Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Strontium Support 2, 120 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Vegan non-GMO gluten-free premium dietary supplement GMP Manufacturing Quality Assured Independent Testing Strontium for Healthy Bones. Discussion. Strontium is an important trace mineral which concentrates in the skeletal system and promotes healthy bones. Suggested use. Take one capsule 1 to 2 times daily on an empty stomach, at least 2 hours before or after consuming food, calcium or milk, since these can significantly reduce strontium absorption if taken together. Ensure an adequate daily intake of calcium and vitamin D. Other ingredients. Capsule, hypromellose and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Do not use if you are pregnant or lactating. Consult your physician before use if you have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Caution, may cause temporary transient increases in levels of creatine kinase that are unassociated with any disorder. Discontinue use and consult a healthcare practitioner in case of rash or hypersensitivity. Those who have or are at high risk for blood clots, heart diseases and/or circulatory, or have kidney disease must not use this product. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.